Good morning friends, I welcome you all at your favorite YouTube channel VIGYAN VIHAN. This is our problem solution series for General Aptitude Part A of UGC-CSIR NET. In this video, we will solve problem number 11 to 15 of this year December 2018 NET paper for Physical Sciences and Life Sciences. Friends, I wish you all the best for your results. Keep practicing. Let's start the solution. This is our first problem here. Problem number 11. Two solutions X and Y containing ingredients A, B and C in proportions A:B:C and C:B:A respectively are mixed. For the resultant mixture to have A, B and C in equal proportion, it is necessary that the correct answer of this problem is option 4. B is equals to C plus A by 2. Two solutions X and Y containing ingredients A, B and C. These are three ingredients A, B, C. In solution X and in solution Y, their ratio is given as A:B:C. That is A, B, C. For the second solution Y, it is CBA. These solutions are mixed such that in the mixture solution, A, B and C are in equal proportion. So let's assume these solutions X and Y are mixed with each other in a ratio of 1:n. N may be any rational number. In that condition, in the mixture, the ratio of A, B and C would be equal to A plus NC, B plus NB, C plus NA. According to this given problem, in this mixture, all the three ingredients are in equal proportion from starting two steps. A plus NC would be equal to 1 plus N of B. But for the last two steps, it is C plus NA would be equal to 1 plus N of B. We will have to find out a relation among A, B and C. We have this relation with B that both the quantities A plus NC and C plus NA are equal. That means N must be equal to 1. How can we say? Here, take the common part A, 1 minus N would be equal to C, 1 minus N. Take the both terms in left hand side, then A minus C multiply with 1 minus N would be equal to 0. But A is not equal to C. In that condition, N must be equal to 1 to get the correct answer. Now, put this value in any one of these above equations. Put the N value equal to 1. Then what will we get? A plus C would be equal to 2 of B, or we can write here B is equal to C plus A by 2. That is our required solution. The correct answer of this problem is option 4. B is equals to C plus A by 2. Next problem, problem number 12. Scatter plots of pairs of observations on the variables X and Y in samples A and B are shown in the figure. Which of the following is suggested by the plots? The correct answer of this problem is option 1. Correlation between X and Y is stronger in A than in B. Next problem, problem number 13. In the context of tiling a plane surface, which of the following polygons is the odd one out? There are given 4 options. The correct answer of this problem is option 3, regular pentagon. Friends, here is the next problem, problem number 13. In this problem, we will have to find out an odd figure out of the given 4 figures as options in the context of tiling a plane surface. First, let's start. Now, if there is a regular polygon such that there is a equilateral triangle having its internal angle equal to 60 degree, for an square its internal angle is 90 degree, for a regular hexagon its internal angle is equal to 120 degree, but for a regular pentagon its internal angle is equal to 108 degrees. If we use these shapes of tiles to pave a plane surface or a floor, it is required that these tiles must not have any blank space in between. For this, we need that internal angle of the tile must be divisor of 360. Here, for an equilateral triangle, 360 degree angle divided by 60 degree is equal to 6. That means if we put 6 such shape of tiles near with each other, those tiles will completely stuck with each other, will not leave any blank space in between. For an square, 360 degree angle upon the internal angle 90 degree is equal to 4. For a regular hexagon, 360 degree upon the internal angle is equal to 3. But for a pentagon, the 108 degree angle, the internal angle of the pentagon is not a perfect divisor of 360 degree angle. So, if we put together regular pentagonal tiles with each other, there would be some space in between. You can try and work out to draw such kind of plane floor with using the pentagonal tiles. So the correct answer of this problem is regular pentagon, that is option 3. Problem number 14. An ideal pendulum oscillates with angular amplitude of 30 degree from the vertical. If it is observed at a random instant of time, its angular deviation from the vertical is most likely to be. The correct answer of this problem is option 2, that is plus minus 10 degree. Friends, here is the next problem of this episode, problem number 14. In this problem, an ideal pendulum oscillates with angular amplitude of 30 degree. From simple harmonic motion, we know that there must be an angular amplitude for an oscillator which is 30 degree here. When a pendulum oscillates, its equation for motion, it is generally d2x by dt square is equals to minus omega square x. Its displacement value x is equal to a sin omega t. For its velocity, v is equals to a omega cos of omega t. So when the displacement of pendulum from its mean position is maximum, that means the x value is equal to a. For omega t value is equal to pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. In that condition, v value comes to 0. So at these extreme conditions, the first here and second here, the pendulum comes to rest at these extreme conditions. That means when it is going near to these extreme conditions, or we can say for the plus 30 degree angle and minus 30 degree angular displacement, the velocity of the pendulum is nearly 0. So, if it is observed at any random instant of time, it is mostly likely to be at the places for angular displacement theta is equal to plus minus 30 degree. You can understand this logic. So, the correct answer of this problem is option 4, plus minus 30 degree. For this plus minus 30 degree angle, the velocity of pendulum at these extreme conditions is 0. So, at most time, the pendulum be in the position of plus or minus 30 degree angular deviation. Next problem, problem number 15. If SELDOON means NOODLES, then what does SPUOS means? We found here the order of letters in first word made reverse in the answer word. So, the correct answer of this problem would be option 2, that is SOUPS. Problem number 16. A student is friends. It is the last problem of this episode, problem number 15. In this problem, there is a code in which the noodles word is written as Sheldon. It is in code. It is decoded in noodles. What is the relation between those two words? Let's start. Here, O comes 2 times in this word, O comes 2 times in this word. LES are also there, but the order of the alphabets in the decoded word is just opposite from the code. So, if I write from back to front, the decoded word would be like NOODLES. That means NOODLES. That is same as the decoded word. Here is our code for another word, that is SPUOS. If we want to decode this word, the decoded word would have the same alphabets, but the alphabets would be in opposite order. So, right from back to front, the decoded word would be SOUPS. That means SOUPS. This word is matching with option number 2. So, the correct answer of this problem is option 2, SOUPS. Friends, I expect that you can understand the solutions of these problems. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. For more updates, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.